Hi, my name is Ashish and I welcome you to another video for Azure Active Directory in Azure-70-533 Infrastructure as a Service. In this video, we will cover how to add the custom domain name using the Azure Active Directory portal. It's not the Azure Active Directory portal. You can say Azure Active Directory and using domain name using the Azure Active Directory in Azure portal. Okay, before we log on to the portal, I've been advertising about my paid course quite a lot. This is Azure Automation. Well, this is the URL. I'll paste the link in the description window. You can enroll in course for 1,999 rupees. I will upload say 2 to 3 videos every week, and after you enroll, you can download the videos and you can have the access of these course throughout lifetime. And well, this is the preview section which is available for free, but if you will enroll in the course, you will get the whole session, and this will not be grayed out. So just click enroll here, go to this URL, click enroll here, fill in your details, and you'll be good to go. Okay, just fill in your details, and if you're logged in, just enter your credit card number, expiry date, CVC code, and all the details, and bam, you're done with the course, and you can watch it, ask questions, and everything will be done. So let's continue with the Azure Active Directory. Let me go back to the portal. Okay, so I'm in my custom domain. I'm in my default directory in the Azure portal, that's it, Azure Active Directory, and if you'll just scroll down and you'll see custom domain names. Right, it says the default name is v2azurelive.onmicrosoft.com, and if you want to add a custom domain, just click on add custom domain. So if you just mention your domain name here, you will get, let's say, I say azure.local. I want to add this as a custom domain in my default domain name. I'll just say add domain. It says domain name added. So it says to use azure.local with your Azure AD. Create a new TXT record with your domain name registrar using the info below. Because it has not found this entries, right? So because I have just added the domain name here, I have to go to my domain registrar. It can be hosted on GoDaddy, Namecheap, any other third-party provider domain name URL, and I would add these records, and then I would be eligible to add a custom domain name. Okay, it says unverified. I have to add these addresses. Then I will be able to add this custom domain. I will click on verify after adding the custom entries in the domain registrar, and I will be then able to verify this domain and then would be able to add it. So as of now, I would delete it. Delete custom domain name. It doesn't matter. So this you don't have to verify because this is by default directory that is created when you buy the Azure subscription. One resource is referencing to this. I'm the user. I'm the owner of this directory by default because I do not have any organization. It's for the lab and testing. I've bought this subscription. So that is how you can create a custom domain in Azure AD, and that is how you purchase the course that I am offering, the paid course, right? So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, like the videos, share it, mention in your feedback in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Hitting the bell icon would let you get notified as soon as I upload a video. Subscribe would get the notifications in your message on the YouTube app or YouTube if you're using it on desktop. But the bell icon would send you the push notification on your mobile, and you get be notified. Bam! Azure Cloud Chef has uploaded a new video. Wow! Well, that is a storm, right? Just kidding. Subscribe it, hit the bell icon, and we're good to go. Help me to spread this channel a lot, and to get more subscribers. It will be a motivational for me to make more interesting videos on more interesting things. And I'm thinking to, though I do not have a large subscribers base, but yes, I am thinking to experiment with this channel. I know it's very early, but hey, I'm not losing anything, right? I'll be making videos, I'll be making interesting stuff for you. But maybe I'll publish the course on photography, right? It's not a bad thing to learn any new thing. So stay tuned, and stay tuned for the interesting things. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.